Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa Bay Entertainment. Gazudumo Samselegu has decided to officially post uMakhumalo after ke ifans zothando nesithembu have been calling him out and tata why ungamposti uMakhumalo after enze so much for ifamily yakho. Then uvele wafika ke uTata Mseleku. Guys, the caption is so buhlebhi. Uthi ke siyabonga kakhulu ngokukhula kwakho. You are such an amazing human being and inspiration to many. That caption alone sana ingathi nje wenzela nje like ufuna ukugqiba icala uba guys I posted her. You cannot blame me and say andimpostanga uMakhumalo. Naku ndimpostile. You understand? So obviously, if fans there's a comment. One person said, "Month end isondele funeke acenge number 1 and number 5. They need their allowance. That's why I decided into ba makampost on a Tuesday." Omnye said, "Umntu ocenge imoto eka halfway mina ngiyambona." So guys, nani niyazibona ke comments abantu ke they were not happy irrespective of the fact that umpostile. The time ebengampostanga, they were not happy. Umpostile ugqiba icala, people are still not happy ke ngotata Mseleku. Khona nenye ke i-comment guys bekudala ndiyibona ndizama ukuyi-ignora. This is a viewer of Uthando Nesithembu wrote an entire letter to uTata Mseleku. Uye wathetha ke into eninzi. Uye wathi it's sad Mseleku ebekhomenta ke kule post guys apho ebefake all the wives and totally ignored i-birthday kaMakhumalo. Uye wakhomenta ke wathi it's sad Mseleku. You once showed us what looked like a beautiful example of polygamy. You sold us a vision and hope, but now we are watching you slowly destroying it yourself. We saw how uMakhumalo was hurt again and again because she could not have children. That was painful to watch. A husband is supposed to protect, not expose and wound. You also failed to hold uMacele accountable. The house that is falling apart was once under her leadership, yet you never correct her. You never correct her or her son. Instead, you keep blaming the other wives. That is not leadership. That is favoritism. On favoritism, when Tata Mseleku, you always publicly celebrated Makhumalo's birthday. However, now that she has chosen herself and her peace, you cannot even wish her well. That says a lot, okay? The empire you are building is falling apart in front of all of us. And the truth is, it is happening because of your choices, Dada. Sometimes the problem is not the wives. Sometimes the problem is the man who refuses to take accountability. Yay. Ebemnika esgapoqo apho Tata Mseleku. Guys, anyways, your thoughts? Must engage and on shortly.